Starting an online business can be a rewarding and exciting experience, but it's important to avoid common pitfalls in order to set yourself up for success. Here are 5 mistakes to avoid when starting an online business. Not having a clear business plan. Before you launch your online business, it's important to have a clear plan in place. This should include a detailed description of your products or services, your target market, and your marketing and sales strategies. Without a clear business plan, it can be difficult to focus your efforts and measure your progress. Failing to do market research. It's important to thoroughly research your market before launching your online business. This includes understanding your competitors, as well as the needs and wants of your target audience. By conducting market research, you'll be better able to position your business for success. Not investing in a professional website. Your website is often the first point of contact that potential customers have with your business, so it's important to make a good first impression. A professional, well-designed website can help to establish trust and credibility with your audience. On the other hand, a poorly designed or unprofessional website can turn potential customers away. Neglecting search engine optimization, SEO. SEO is the process of optimizing your website and online content in order to improve your ranking on search engines like Google. It's important to invest in SEO in order to make it easier for potential customers to find your business online. Not focusing on customer service. Providing excellent customer service is crucial for any business, and this is especially true for online businesses. With the convenience of online shopping comes the potential for customer frustration, so it's important to have systems in place to address any issues that may arise. This could include a comprehensive FAQ section, live chat support, or a responsive email or phone support system. By avoiding these common mistakes, you'll be better positioned to succeed with your online business. It's also important to be open to learning and adapting as you grow and evolve your business. With hard work and a little bit of luck, you can build a successful online business that meets the needs of your customers and achieves your goals.